At Florida Mid-South Realty, we bring family values, professional service, and local expertise to every real estate experience. With small town feel and a personal touch, we're here to help you find the right home or sell with ease. And don't miss the Florida Rockstars, our live podcast every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Florida Rockstars, rocking real estate news and all things local. Florida Mid-South Realty, your trusted hometown team.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
After the rain and thunderstorms yesterday evening and the clouds when we woke up this morning, we're back to sunshine this afternoon. It's still mostly clear this evening, but clouds will be increasing as we head later into tonight, acting as an insulating blanket just toward daybreak, keeping us from dropping all the way down to the dew point, but I still expect mid-30s across southern Middle Tennessee by daybreak, even as clouds increase mid to upper 30s over northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. One more mild day here for our Wednesday with daytime highs into the low to mid-60s with a southerly wind ahead of our next weather system. Clouds increasing will become mostly cloudy through the day and slight chance of a stray shower by the afternoon. Better rain chances will be during the overnight Wednesday night and through Thursday morning. There is still a low end, a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe storms in our viewing area, mainly near and south of the Tennessee River over North Alabama for overnight Wednesday night into the morning hours here of our Thursday. Again, not only is it a very low end risk, it's also a very uncertain risk. I think it's more likely that this doesn't materialize fully than it would be for it to materialize. However, we'll watch radar just in case there are a couple strong thunderstorms. Not expecting a tornado situation in our area because we will have cool, stable air near the surface. Any instability or storm fuel will be elevated a couple thousand feet above the ground, and because of that, we're not stretching that low-level spin at the surface to develop tornadoes. But anytime you have a severe thunderstorm, you never say a completely zero risk, so we'll be watching radar just in case, and we will be staffed here overnight tomorrow night. A very low risk of a few isolated wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. I think a few storms may have pea to dime size hail, and then one or two could have dime to quarter size hail, and that may prompt a stray severe thunderstorm warning or two. Very low risk of flooding, mainly localized isolated street flooding, because we're not going to see a whole lot of rain with this, and not everybody's going to see rain. The storms will be pretty scattered. Here's the futurecast. We're going to roll ahead starting 6 p.m. for Wednesday evening. Mostly dry out there, but as we head toward 8, 9, 10 o'clock, showers start to develop across the area. And then as we head past midnight into the early morning, this is where some isolated stronger storms might develop. Again, small hail, a few wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. The main concerns, in addition to some heavy rainfall and some thunder and lightning, not really looking at a tornado situation with this. The heavier activity shifts south and east of us by daybreak. Still some lingering moderate showers all the way into midday, tapering off into the afternoon as colder air filters in behind a big cold front. Travel weather, it's mainly quiet across the U.S. for Wednesday, which is the biggest travel day of the year. Have some intermountain snow across the Colorado mountains, some isolated snow showers into the Great Lakes. Showers and thunderstorms don't get going over the southeast until overnight Wednesday night. Thanksgiving Day travel may be a little different, especially from the southeast into the northeast. Snow in interior northeast into the Great Lakes. Showers and thunderstorms in the southeast and south of our area here, from central southern Alabama back into Mississippi, Georgia, and the Carolinas. A few of these storms could be strong on Thanksgiving. Weather from the plains back into the western United States quieting down for travel on Thanksgiving Day. And then we're turning cold after this front moves in on Thursday. Friday into next week, Arctic air moves southward into the Tennessee Valley and the southeast. We're talking about the first widespread freeze of the season coming up later this week. Daytime highs in the low to mid-40s. From Friday into next week, maybe some upper 30s for highs by Monday and Tuesday. And also Monday morning and Tuesday morning, maybe some upper teens here for morning lows, especially across our Tennessee counties. And everybody well down into the 20s overnight from Friday on into next week. Much colder air certainly coming, but it's a few days away still. Dropping out of the 50s into the 40s this evening. 30s overnight. Clouds increasing as we head after midnight. And then mostly cloudy here for your Thursday. Slight chance of a shower about late in the day. Better chance of overnight showers and thunderstorms in through the morning hours of Thanksgiving. Again, we'll watch for a stronger storm or two, but any severe risk very, very low. And then we turn to much colder air from Friday right on into next week. There's Luke's latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.